Hello again, this is the Cocherang Provinciana sharing to you another beautiful place of Agno, Umbrella Rocks.
Hi guys! So, we're going to Agno for today. I'm with Sarla and Baby Princess and Ate Grace and Aika! Yung batang umiiyak na akala niya na iwan na siya! So, guys, we're heading to Agno and Agno ba? Agno and Bulino for tomorrow. So enjoy! Let's get enjoy!
Oh, ayan na, Ate Aika. Kunin mo yung mic.
Maiwasan, tumingin sa iyong liwanag. Nararan na naman sa iyong apoy. Bakit palaging hinahayaan? Diyan ka na naman, ba't di ko maiwasan?
And then, may nagugutom ng bata, nagpuputo na, and si Ate Grace. So, we'll be looking for stockings. And I don't know where to pick it up. Yan. Anong snack gusto nyo, guys? Wanna go down?
Starbucks.
Starbucks! Wala dito si Star! Ayun o, micro. Milk tea. Ako, nagpatimpla ka na lang sana sa ating master milk tea. Si Ate
the
Grace.
queen of milk tea.
You know, queen of milk tea.
Asan yung CSI?
There, that's the CSI. Let's see if that's the entrance. Yes, it's the entrance. So, where should I find you? Should I just call you or what? Nandito na tayo sa CSI Alaminos. We'll be looking for stockings and snacks. Wow, parang style pa Manila siya, ano?
Expressway.
Di ba ito yung papuntang Sambales? Iba pa?
Bukas na ata tayo.
Lagpas ka dyan. Ay, yung
Papuntang sa Bales.
okay. So guys, finally we've reached our destination. Nandito na kami sa bahay ng kapatid ni Tito Grace. I don't know if you can see it, but she's already there. Doon na si Uncle Dan. And
Pack up na.
okay, get ready na guys. All your things, pack it up. Ayan na, dyan tayo mag-overnight guys. Ano yun? Pupunta na tayo ng Umbrella Rocks.
Palit ng kotse.
Hi! Palit kami ng sasakyan. Hi mga babies! On the way to Umbrella Rocks. Asus! Yung mga bathing suit nyo dyan, mga moms, ha?
Ay, wala. Pangaurahan.
Kailangan may pa-aura. Wag mo nang hihingas. Umbrella Rocks.
Take the next left.
Yeah.
Ayos pa eh.
Oh my God! We're on our destination!
Your
So, saan ako mag-park?
Hello! Dito na
Sa loob na. Buti may resort dito.
ng beach! Dito na
Oh, welcome to Umbrella Rocks. Wow, and is this another paradise?
kaming hug.
I love Agno. So guys, welcome to Umbrella Rocks. So this is so amazing. Oh, welcome to another paradise. Yeah, enjoying the beach and the Umbrella Rocks. So different forms of rocks here. So amazing. Ayan oh. So we've been so excited and we've been taking a lot of pictures from out there. Woo!
Ate Aika's enjoying. But we didn't realize there is more here. So that's the first umbrella rock na nagpa-picture kami. And little did we know na marami palang umbrella rocks here. Hi, Princess! Hi, Sia! Hello! So, here, ayan, different rocks. And, ayan, bawal na mag-swim that place na. So, here, pwede pa naman so far.
Go there.
Leaving the rock na. Umbrella rock. Up.
Stupidest bitches rule. Tita Nang, isama niyo naman ako. Hi guys!
Princess, sit down lang, sit down lang, sit down lang, bebe.
To-
Bebe,
if
sit
you
down
try
lang
my-
po, sit down lang po.
Holding my hat.
Hi! So, ayan na po, babay na, Umbrella Rock. I love Agno. Hi! Bye-bye! Bye-bye,
Lara!
Bye-bye, Lara.
Again, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Maraming salamat sa nag-subscribe. Mwah hugs. Mwah.